Programming is the art of giving detailed instructions to a computer. Just like we use languages to communicate with each other, we use programming languages to communicate effectively with computers. These instructions, known as code, tell the computer exactly what to do and how to do it. Think of programming as writing a detailed recipe. Each step in the recipe is like a line of code. You provide specific instructions in a specific order, and the computer follows them precisely. From the apps on our phones to the websites we browse daily, programming is everywhere. It empowers us to create software, analyze data, automate tasks, and much more. Learning to program opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to build, innovate, and solve complex problems using the power of technology. Computers, at their core, understand only one language binary code. Binary code is a system of representing information using only two digits, 0 and 1. Each digit in binary code is called a bit, and a group of 8 bits is called a byte. While computers think in binary, it's incredibly difficult for humans to write and understand complex instructions using only zeros and ones. Imagine trying to write a novel using only 2 letters. This is where programming languages come in handy. They act as translators, bridging the gap between human language and the binary language of computers. Programming languages provide a more intuitive and human-readable way for us to write instructions that computers can understand and execute. Programming languages are formal languages designed to communicate instructions to a computer. They consist of a set of rules and symbols that allow programmers to write code, which is then translated into binary code that the computer can execute. Think of programming languages as different tools in a toolbox. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, making it suitable for specific types of tasks. Some languages are better suited for web development, while others excel in data analysis or game development. There are hundreds of programming languages in existence, each with its own syntax, rules, and purpose. Some popular examples include Python, JavaScript, Java, and C. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its readability and versatility. Its clear syntax and emphasis on simplicity make it an excellent choice for beginners. Python is widely used in web development, data science, machine learning, and scripting. Its extensive libraries and frameworks provide ready-made tools for a wide range of tasks. One of Python's key advantages is its readability. Its syntax resembles natural language, making it easier to understand and write code. This readability also makes it easier to maintain and debug code, saving time and effort. Python's versatility and ease of use have made it one of the most popular programming languages worldwide, with a large and active community. Section 5. JavaScript, the web's language. JavaScript is a scripting language primarily used for front-end web development. It allows developers to add interactivity, animations, and dynamic content to websites, making them more engaging and user-friendly. JavaScript runs directly in web browsers, allowing it to manipulate web page elements, handle user input, and make websites more responsive. It's also used in back-end development with frameworks like Node.js. JavaScript's ubiquity on the web makes it an essential language for web developers. It's supported by all major web browsers and is used by millions of websites worldwide. Learning JavaScript opens up a world of possibilities for creating interactive and dynamic web experiences. Section 6. Java Platform Independence for All. Java is a general-purpose, object-oriented programming language known for its platform independence and versatility. This means that Java code can run on any device with a Java Virtual Machine or JVM, regardless of the underlying operating system or hardware. Java is widely used in enterprise applications, Android app development, and big data processing, making it highly versatile. Its robustness, security features, and large community make it a popular choice for large-scale projects and critical systems. One of Java's key advantages is its write once, run anywhere capability, which is highly valued. This portability saves developers time and effort by eliminating the need to rewrite code for different platforms, enhancing productivity. Java's mature ecosystem, vast libraries, and strong community support make it a reliable choice for a wide range of applications and development needs. Section 7C, the powerful veteran. C is a powerful low-level programming language known for its efficiency and performance. It's often used in systems programming, embedded systems, and game development. While C can be more challenging to learn than higher-level languages, its control over hardware and memory management makes it ideal for performance-critical applications. C's influence on other programming languages is undeniable. Many popular languages, including C++, Java, and Python, borrow syntax and concepts from C. Despite its age, C remains a relevant and powerful language, particularly in areas where performance and efficiency are paramount. Section 8. Choosing the right language for the task. With so many programming languages available, choosing the right one for a particular task can seem daunting. The best language for a project depends on several factors, including project requirements, the specific goals and functionalities of the project, platform, the target platform such as web, mobile, or desktop, developer experience, the programmer's familiarity with different languages, community support, the availability of resources, libraries, and community support for the language. For beginners, starting with a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript is recommended. These languages offer a gentler learning curve and provide a solid foundation for further exploration. Section 9. Conclusion: the future of programming. Programming languages are constantly evolving, with new languages emerging and existing ones adapting to new technologies and paradigms. The field of programming is dynamic and ever-changing, offering endless opportunities for innovation and problem-solving. As technology advances, the demand for skilled programmers continues to grow. Learning to program empowers individuals to create, innovate, and shape the future using the power of technology. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or any other field touched by technology, learning a programming language is a valuable investment in your future. Now that we've explored the future of programming, let's look at how you can start your journey into this exciting field. Here are 10 effective ways to learn programming. 1. Online courses. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer comprehensive courses on various programming languages and technologies. 1. Books and articles. Reading books and articles can provide deep insights and practical knowledge. 1. Practical projects. Hands-on projects help solidify your understanding and build your portfolio. 1. Communities and forums. Engage with online communities and forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit to seek help and share knowledge. 1. Tutorials and videos. YouTube and other video platforms offer countless tutorials for beginners and advanced learners alike. 1. Boot camps. Intensive coding boot camps can fast-track your learning and help you gain practical skills quickly. 1. Certifications and exams. Earning certifications from recognized institutions can validate your skills and enhance your resume. 1. Internships and apprenticeships. Real-world experience through internships and apprenticeships can be invaluable. 1. Competitions and hackathons. Participating in coding competitions and hackathons can challenge your skills and inspire creativity. 1. Blogs and podcasts. Following tech blogs and listening to podcasts can keep you updated on the latest trends and best practices. Whether you choose one or multiple methods, the key is to stay curious, practice consistently, and never stop learning. With dedication and the right resources, you can master programming and unlock a world of opportunities. Pause 3. S. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on programming and technology. Pause 3. S. Until next time, happy coding.